Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an extraordinary musical journey. The following is a mixtape penned and inspired by Andy Hamilton, drawing from the rich tapestry of life's experiences and crafted by the innovative magic of artificial intelligence. Tonight, your ears will be graced by three remarkable tunes: The Unseen Heart, The Line of Perfection, and Legends of Mount Moriah. So please, sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the melodies that bridge past and future. Enjoy the show.
In a shadow, a boy unseen, they could look but barely see me. Labeled dumb, misunderstood, the bond that should have been just never could. From an early age I learned to hide, to dodge the shouts, the cruel side. In high school halls I walked along, the walls so high, made out of stone. I've come so far, here I stand, no trusted friend, no guiding hand. But Lord, you're the light in my night, your love the beacon burning bright. At the mention of your name, everything changes, you ease my pain. With every laugh that wasn't shared, I grew apart, thought no one cared. I built my walls with every sneer, friendships that could have been now nowhere near. Alone in the crowd, just playing this game, feeling lost, always the same. But with you, Lord, I'm never alone. Your love is the sweetest tongue. I've come so far, here I stand, no trusted friend, no guiding hand. But Lord, you're the light in my night, your love the beacon burning bright. At the mention of your name, everything changes, you ease my pain. With every laugh that wasn't shared, I grew apart, thought no one cared. I built my walls with every sneer, friendships that could have been now nowhere near. Alone in the crowd, just playing this game, feeling lost, always the same. But with you, Lord, I'm never alone. Your love is the sweetest tongue. I've come so far, yet here I stand, no trusted friend, no guiding hand. But Lord, you're the light in my night, your love the beacon burning bright. At the mention of your name, everything changes, you ease my pain. With every laugh that wasn't shared, I grew apart, thought no one cared. I built the walls with every sneer, friendships that could have been now nowhere near. Alone in the crowd, just playing this game, feeling lost, always the same. But with you, Lord, I'm never alone. Your love is the sweetest tongue. I've come so far, yet now every step I take, you're here on this ride, walking beside me, my guide through the night. In every shadow, in every light, you are the friend I never had, my wavering right. When the road bends, when stars hide, you're the whisper in the cold, the warmth inside. For every tear that from my eyes once slid, you caught them all in your love ahead. Every step I make, you're by my side, a friend so true, in you I confide. In trials and joys, through low and high, your presence a beacon, forever my guide. I wandered lonely, paths unknown, yet in my heart your love was sown. Now every step is toward your throne. With you, my Lord, I'm never alone. When the road bends, when the stars hide, you're the whisper in the in the heart of the factory's war, under the bright fluorescent pour, Starts with the basis strong and sure, a dance of steel on the concrete floor. The interior's where dreams are stored, fans, coils, filters, and so much more. It's a symphony, every bore, but without her, it's just folklore. Through the noise of footsteps ring, quality's queen, the line's true king. When the electrical sings and the walls embrace, she's the guardian of this place. Oh, Tara, I'm calling for you. Through the sound of drills, your name breaks through. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Say it's okay. With your word we find our way. In this world of steel and clay, you're the light that guides the day. Doors and dampers, the wall's final touch. A masterpiece, but it's never too much. The line moves on, but we feel such a need for a gaze, her confirming clutch. Every unit a story to tell. Without her approval we can't excel. Tara's eyes where the future fell. She walks the line and she does it well. When the lines and all of the sheets and the whispers of day, we're seeking the sign, the light in the gray. With each piece in place, we quietly pray for the voice of our guide to lead the way. Oh Tara, oh Tara, oh Tara, tell me it's okay. Your word is the dawn turning night into day. In the rhythm of word, in the steel ballet. Oh Tara, guide us we pray. Oh Tara, guide us we pray. Oh Tara, guide us we pray. Ooh, oh, oh, oh Tara, we call out to you. In the chorus of tasks, your judgment rings true. Oh Tara, your approval's our cue. With your blessing, there's nothing we can't do. Oh Tara, we call out to you. In the chorus of tasks, your judgment rings true. Oh Tara, your approval's our cue. With your blessing, there's nothing we can't do. Oh Tara, we call out to you. In the chorus of tasks, your judgment rings true. Oh Tara, your approval's our cue. With your blessing, there's nothing we can't do. In the heart of Missouri, where the river's bend, lies Mount Moriah with legends that never end. Babe Adams' fastball cutting through the air. Echoes of the old days, feel 'em everywhere. Nate Stevens with a melody's command. From Moriah's soil to the silver screen so grand. His notes wove through films with a jazz-filled roar, the heart of a prodigy from Missouri's core. Oh, Moriah, on the wide Missouri sky, the fields and stories that never tell no lies. From the baseball diamond to the film scores wide, Moriah, your Missouri's pride. No trains rolling, but history found its track. From the fields of glory to the memories that bring us back. Adams on the mountainside to behold, striking out the best in the tales that are told. From 1867, your roots run deep and true. A monument stands tall for those who pass through. A highway named for Bay, where the legends roll. Mount Moriah forevermore. So here's to you, Moriah, with your stories born. And Mount Moriah, where faith runs deep and true. A small church gathers about 30 or a few, their hearts join in hymns under the steeple's view, carrying scriptures in hearts as their forebears once knew. Oh, Moriah, under wide Missouri skies, your fields and stories will never tell no lies. From the baseball diamond to the film scores by, Moriah, your Missouri's pride. By the Thompson River, where waters flow and bend, generations recall where their childhood's dead land. As water continues, so does time extend. Memories etched by the river start to never end. From 1867, your roots run deep and true. Monument stands tall for those who are passing through. A highway named for Bay, where the legends roll. Now Moriah, forever home. So here's to you, Moriah, with your stories bold. In the heart of the nation, tales are gold. Legends carved in stone and sung through the air. Mount Moriah stands proud and fair. By the Thompson River, where waters flow and bend, generations recall where their childhoods did play. As water continues, so does time extend. Memories etched by the river, start to never end. So here's to you, Moriah, your story.